Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Australia, the unlimited data. So actually guys, and before we get started, you will need to click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And of course in the end of the video I'm going to show you how to set up or install the eSIM profile on your phone in both devices. So actually guys, at first you will need just to go to where do you need the internet. Here, the search bar, tap it, and then just look for Australia, right? So this is the country. Go ahead and tap on it once it's found. And now, guys, eSIM offers unlimited data eSIM plans for Australia with flexible duration depending on how long you're staying. For example, the unlimited options are available from 1 day until 1 month, and as you can see, the difference between the 20 days and the month is just a couple of dollars, right? So it's $14. Right, so for example, we go with the 25 days, and here where you can select the number of the eSIMs 2, 3, 4, right, and you will get 10% off as a reduction for 2 eSIMs or more. And then just go with the checkout right here. And now guys, you will need to go and choose a payment method, and then just go with pay and follow the prompts. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM profile on your phone, right? Or install the eSIM on your device on your iOS. So actually guys, first you will need to go with the eSIM page right here, and then just tap on install, right? And then you will need to go and select the eSIM plan here, go with done, and then just turn on the line and the data roaming. So that's the first method. The second method is scanning the QR code. So you'll need to go to the mobile data option inside your phone's settings or your device settings, go with add data plan, and now just go with use QR code, scan the QR code and enable or select the eSIM plan, go with done and enable or turn on the line and the data roaming. Now guys, we are going to talk and showing you how to do that on your Android phone. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the eSIM app that you can get from the Play Store, the Apple App Store, and then just go to the Help Center, go with the eSIM installation option, and then go and select install or tap on install. Go ahead to the go to settings option, and there you will need to activate the eSIM and SIM manager and enable the data roaming, and then just restart your phone if necessary or requested. Also guys, we have the other option or the other method, which is scanning the QR code. So you'll need to go to the connections option inside your phone's settings, go with the SIM card manager, and then go with add mobile plan. And now you will need to scan the QR code and then just enable the data roaming as well. So actually guys, and once again, don't forget to click the link in the description, choose the plan that best fits your trip and the eSIM platform or the eSIM app. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.